Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are continuing on our journey with the Gears and Textures bundle. And I wanted to show that the card or the bundle doesn't just have to make masculine grunge type cards or layouts. Those are amazing, but you can also use it to make a super simple card. Looks like really kind of delicate edging that you'd find on a linen napkin or something like that, but it is super simple to create. This is a piece of the Painterly Pears designer series paper, but I'm using this side of it. It's 5 1/4 by 4, and I've got an old olive card base, and this is so easy to do and it is so effective. So we're just going to adhere this down. And I have used the dies from the set to cut out the ladder or film strip type pieces or rails, whatever you would like to call them, and to cut out this. Now I put adhesive backing on these so that I can stick them down really effectively. So I'm just going to peel the backing off of these. And the only thing you need to keep in mind is if you want it to look like it's going straight through, you've got strips of paper here, you need to make sure that your backing strip here matches your card base. So I'm just going to pop this down like this and just run it along the strip like that. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with the second one. Oh, I cut off the edge there. Oh, well. It should technically make it easier to pick that edge up. There we go. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. Stick this down. I'm starting just a little bit up from the bottom because these are actually shorter than the plain strip, the rectangle strip. Okay, so now I'm just going to put adhesive on the back of these. Okay. Just running my finger down it just to remove any excess. And I'm just going to place this in the middle just to make sure that I can center around it. And then I put this down and there we go. We just need to make sure we've got that straight. So I'm just going to pick that up, move it over so that I'm straight. There we go, like that. And the illusion this creates is absolutely amazing. Okay, so then I'm going to pull this in, same distance here. Pop that down and I'm straight. And then I'm going to add my greeting, and the greeting again is Simply Said. And we're just going to pop that in the middle like this. I'm using the designer series paper to make sure that I'm straight and level, and I am. This one I added some of the, which ones are these? The Charming Shimmer Faceted Gems, and this paper is the Floral Charm designer series paper. I'm just going to grab some of the medium-sized pearls here, the antique pearls, and we're just going to pop them down just kind of randomly. Just adds a little bit to the card. This would make a really super simple masculine card if you wanted to do it in like Night of Navy shades or something like that. So that is our super simple card that is really effective. It makes it look super detailed, and it's just that easy. So this is our floral one with the Floral Charm DSP, and then this one is our Painterly Pears designer series paper. And that is all there is to making a super quick, super simple card that's really effective using the Gears and Textures bundle. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.